Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Blink outdoor cameras right here. I bought these for 150 Canadian dollars on Amazon on Black Friday sale. It comes with the Amazon Echo Show 5. The Echo Show has not been delivered yet, just because I believe it's on back order. But I'm expecting it to come in late December, early January, sort of. But anyways, I ordered this. Like I said, on Black Friday. Came in today, Sunday. Came in within 2 days or so. So yeah, let's get into this and see what's in here. So let's open this box. So this box has two cameras. It comes with 2 batteries. It's weather resistant, meant for outdoors, day and night, two-way audio, motion detection. Now I was contemplating buying a doorbell camera and an outdoor camera for my backyard, but then I saw these and I thought, why not just put up these cameras instead, the outdoor security cameras that can have motion detectors, so it does give me an alert when there's somebody on my porch, and provides me video as well, and then I don't have to worry about reconfiguring my doorbell, unwidening it and widening it again, and all that retermination, which could be a bit of work. So yeah, let's open this box. So inside the box, let's see what we have here. Sleeve comes off. We see 2 cameras. Let's pull this out. So that's one camera. Here's the second one, and comes with 4. Oops. See if I can focus this a little bit better. Yep. 4 Energizer Ultimate Lithium AA batteries. They are 1.5 volts. Comes with a mount for each camera. Has a quick start guide. I'll walk you through how to configure this camera. It has a Blink Sync Module 2, which will allow you to, so this module will connect to the Wi-Fi and the cameras will connect to this module, if I understand this correctly, but we'll get into it and we'll figure out how exactly all of this is wired up. We have a USB cable. What else? We have some mounting screws. Yep, one for each camera. Whoops, sorry, I see it here. And we have a power adapter for the Link Module 2. Sync Module 2. There's some information here as well, product information. It also has this little key that allows you to, open the camera, open the back of the camera. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so let's look here. So that's the getting started guide. The instruction seems pretty straightforward. There's only 3 steps. It says download the Blink Home Monitor app, add your Sync Module 2, and add your cameras to the system. Easy peasy. So let's get into this camera. There is it's a screw cover. There's a small USB port area as well. I'm not sure what that will be used for, but so we'll take off this cover. It's like a rubber cover that comes off the camera, and then we use this key to unscrew the back of the camera. And once you do that, this thing comes off and it lets you put in the 2 batteries that came in, a pair for each camera. Now they say that the batteries are good for 2 years, but obviously that'll depend on your usage of this camera, number of time it gets activated, and all that. I see a small button in the back. I'm assuming that's a reset button. I don't know, but I guess we'll find out. So close this up. And tighten this back up. I'll put this rubber seal back on. Assuming it provides some sort of weather protection when it's mounted outside. So that went back on. And we'll do the same for the second camera. So as soon as I installed the batteries, there was this red light that started blinking on both cameras. I don't know what they are. Maybe they're for the infrared or motion detection. Most likely motion detection. I also plugged in the Blink Sync Module 2. You can kind of see it in here. I can move my camera right there. One thing I don't like about this is that the whole cable plugging into the wall. It would have been much easier if this thing just had a power adapter built into it, so this itself could plug into the wall, as opposed to having a cable that just, more cables to manage and everything. But anyways, when I plugged this in, there were these two lights that came on. One's the yellow power light, the other one's the Wi-Fi blue light. And what I also did was I downloaded the app. Let's see if I can focus here a little bit better. I downloaded the app, signed up, and now it's asking me to connect. So I'll go through those steps and see how it connects. So I'm going through the process here. What I had to do was scan the code on the back of, you can't see that yet, the code on the back of the sync module using my phone. And once that was done, it's just now saying that it's updating the firmware, connecting to the Wi-Fi and all that. So we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so it seems it has connected to the sync module 2, and now I have to add devices. Blink wireless camera. Okay, so we've already added the sync module. We're going to add a Blink wireless camera, and then you just go and scan QR code on the device. I do not see a QR code on the device, nor do I see a serial number. Let's see, where is the serial number? Wireless camera. Oh, it's inside the battery module. Okay, so we'll have to open that up and get access to that so we can scan these things. Okay, so both the cameras have been synced, and as you can see here, if I click on live view, it takes a minute, but yep, there you go. And the quality seems okay, but I guess we'll know more once we kind of mount it outside. Okay, and here is the second one. Fit. And this is the second one. And quality is okay, but we'll know more once you mount it outside and see how the night vision is, and how the motion detection works and all. The other thing that I noticed on this app is that it has things you can configure it for, so I think it can read the temperature outside. You can set up alerts if it's too cold for the battery and all, or the camera and all. I think you can set up alerts with that on here. Battery okay, and there's a bunch of other options that you can play around with. Sensitivity, motion recording on off, IR sensitivity, microphone. So yeah, you can change the quality, make it better. But then it says, so high video quality will reduce battery life. Makes sense. We'll keep it standard for now, and we'll see how it is outside once we put it up. And yeah, so you have an option here for arm, disarm. I'm guessing once you arm it, it starts motion detection and starts alerting you when it detects motion within the field of view. And yeah, so this has been a quick unboxing of the Blink outdoor cameras. I wish I had the Echo Show as well to see how that works with these cameras. But this system was fairly easy to set up, pretty easy to get up and going. And again, like I said, I'll be interested in seeing how it looks outside. It is kind of dark outside, so I'll probably wait till tomorrow or later to mount these cameras, and I'll do a quick video on that and see how it looks. Hope you enjoyed the video, and hope you learned a few things. Thank you.